Today we're making a creamy, cozy corn chowder. No dairy needed, just pure comfort in a bowl. You'll need corn, potatoes, carrots, onion, garlic, and a splash of coconut milk. Simple, fresh, and full of flavor. Start by sauteing onion, garlic, and carrots until soft and fragrant. This builds the flavor right from the start. Add your corn and diced potatoes, then pour in vegetable broth. Let it simmer until everything is tender. Once the veggies are tender, pour some into your blender and give it a quick pulse until smooth and creamy. Pour the blended soup back into the pot and give it a gentle stir to bring everything together. Then add a splash of coconut milk for that extra creamy finish. And that's it. Creamy corn chowder, full of flavor, comfort, and love in every spoonful. Easy, dairy-free, and absolutely delicious. I hope this corn chowder warms your day as much as it warmed mine. The full recipe is in the pinned comment. See you next time.